Hello viewers, you are highly welcome. We want to solve this exponential equation, but we are interested in just solving one of the solution, especially the one that is integer, positive integer. Now we have x over 4 to the power of x equals 4 to the power of 4 raised to the power 2. So now what we are going to do now is that I'm going to have x over 4 to the power of x equals now here 4 raised to the power of 2. This can be written, this right hand side can be written as 4 right to the power of, that is 4 like this. That is what can happen, right? Not 4 times 2. Are you getting it now? So therefore, we're going to have 4 to the power of 2. So, and 4 to the power of 2 is going to give us 16. So we have this raised to be 16. That is 4 to the power of 2 will give us 16. So now from here, what if I multiply this by 1 over 4 and I multiply this by 1 over 4? That is the powers. So what do you think I'm going to have? So I'm going to have x over 4 to the power of this power will multiply this power here. This is going to be x over 4 equals 4. Now here, this 1, this 4. So we have 4 to the power of 4. So now you can see here we have x over 4 raised to power x over 4, 4 raised to power 4. So which implies that x over 4 is equal to 4. Right? So now from here, to get rid of this 4 here, you're going to multiply both sides by 4. Doing that, you're going to have x to be 16. So we have the solution to be 16. Now, we can actually check whether we are right or not. So check. Okay. So we have x over 4 to the power of x equals 4 to the power of 4 to the power of 2. So now here, what is the value of x? X is 16. Then we have 16 divided by 4. Then we have 16 up here equals. Is this going to give us the right answer to be 4 to the power of 2? So now if you look at this, 16 divided by 4, we're going to be having 4. Right? 4 to the power of 16. 4 to the power of 16, which is equals to 4 to the power of 4 raised to the power 2. Now 16 can be written as 4 to the power of 2 equals 4 to the power of 2. So which means the two sides are the same, right? So by that, so we have this confirmed, that is x equals 16 is just one of the solutions of the equation, right? But from the beginning, so we mentioned that we are interested in solving the value of x that is a positive integer. So subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done that. Hit on the bell icon to be notified anytime we upload a new content. Thank you. Bye bye.